In this short video, I'm going to explain how you can list your stuff for rent using the PeerRenters app. I'm using an iPad for the purposes of display, but you can also use an iPod or an iPhone. So to get started, first of all, you want to click on the list button, which is right here in the lower menu bar. So click list, and then you'll be taken to the list page. On this add item page, these are all the categories that are presented to you where you can list your items for rent. So I'm going to choose the household goods category. So that's got the check mark beside it now, and I just press the next button. And now this next page here is where you can put the specific details about your address or your meetup location. It's actually pulled from your default information of your account, your business name and the address. We recommend that you use a public location as opposed to a private address for your own security. If you're a business, this can be your place of business address. Now you want to make sure that the information is correct. If you need to make any changes, you can change it on this screen. Provided it all looks good, you can then proceed to the next page. And on this page, this is where you actually add the details of your item. So the first line right there is a brief description of what's for rent. So you just tap in there and then you can just put what it is. In my case, it is it's a lawn chair. And then you can just go down here to the additional details field. This is where you could put any particular information that is specific to the item that will help you rent it to any potential renter. If you have any return conditions, if you want the item cleaned, or anything that you want to elaborate on the item that's for rent. So I'm just going to put some random information in here for the purposes of illustration. This field is where you can upload up to 3 images of your item. So you just click right there, and then you are given a choice of whether you want to take a photo, choose a photo. In my case, I don't need to take a photo because I've already taken one and it's in my photo roll. So I'll just go to choose photo, go to camera roll, and there's the first picture. And then you can actually size that and center it as you like. If that all looks good, just select use. And then you can choose your second image. Again, I'm going to go into my photo roll, and let's use this image right here, and we'll just size and center that. It looks good, so we click use, and there it is. And we are now ready to proceed to the next screen. So all I need to do is click the next button. This page is where I specify my details about my particular rental. In the top screen, I can specify whether I want to be paid by cash only, cash or credit card only. I'm actually going to be able to accept cash or credit card. This next screen here is where you specify your rates, your half-day rate, your daily rate, your weekly rate, and your monthly rate. So I'm just going to put my rates in. Put $5 here, and we'll do $10 for a daily rate, weekly rate $50, and a monthly rate of $100. Notice this is in Canadian funds, Canadian currency. So if you're in the US, you're going to be working in US dollars, and the app does work in over 20 countries. So whichever country you select as your residence, it will automatically reflect the appropriate currency for your country. The next screen right here is security deposit. If you're collecting and require a security deposit on the rental, you want to put the amount in there. So in my case, it'll be $25. And then if you actually are selling your item, that's going to go in the lower screen that you see right there. So leave that empty if the item's not for sale. If the item is for sale, don't list any rental rates. Just put the outright sale price right there. And then lastly, you want to put your provincial or federal sales taxes. If the rental is taxable, just put the amount there. In my case, it's a 12% tax rate. Confirm the listing, and the app will then give you a confirmation that your item has been listed. So this is what that screen looks like. You've got an ability to share through Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. We recommend that you do share your rentals that you've posted in the app through your social media so that you can get your friends and other contacts to be aware and possibly rent from you. And good luck, have fun, and if we can be of any assistance, don't hesitate to contact us at any time.